Alright, you guys, here we go. Another one. Another door. Well, we already did half, but that's okay. But let me show you the rollers this one to use. Here. This door's only a few years old, and you already tell the shakes in it. So, obviously these weren't good rollers. They're garbage. So, as you notice on all the doors I redo, replace them with 13 non-bearing rollers, nylon. This thing should roll a lot better. It was pretty rough. Show you the other side. You see all the plastic rollers. So, let's pull a section of it down so you can't see the outside. Alright guys, hopefully this thing will roll better when we get done. I'll let you know.